Happy New fucking Year, everyone!
Car. Yeah. Makakasabay ka kakaano na. Ay, ibigay ko din kay mami na yan. Ito yung aspilig. Ay, yun daw, kaya daw niya ayaw sa dati. Ay na, okay na. Hindi. Natutakbo-takbo sila.
Gising ang bata. Bata. Kaya. We're here, man. It's 2 a.m. in the morning. And we're here. It's 2 a.m. We still need to work. Good morning, people from the earth. It's 9:10 in the morning. Medyo antok-antok mo eh. I sleep at 6 a.m. because I was grinding kanina. Morning. Narinig akong ano eh. Saan sila Rode? Andun?
Ando sa likod yata.
Adik.
Ayan, ando yata sila sa likod din. Pagkalbi kasi kanta ito niya, no? Hindi na dinanap. Alam na umuwi siya nung nakaraan, no? Akala ko naman nag-umuwi na sila. Hindi. Ay, abot kayo yan na nga kasi nga, hindi siya, video.
Ay, si Lola Mama pala. Here. Lasa ka mama. Musta ka?
Hindi, sayang pa, oh. Makaniki yan, mama.
Ay, ano nak?
Si Role.
Gising ka na dun, ando siya, tawagin mo.
As you guys see, I'm not actually in my workplace right now. Medyo pangit yung lighting ko. Pero, there's no fucking excuses. And, why am I holding this? Actually, din ako sanay gamitin to. I bought this, like, months ago. Kasi, kala ko magagamit ko siya. Well, nagagamit ko naman siya, pero, mas sanay ako kapag di ko hawak to. Kasi, it's very awkward if you're vlogging in the public place and you're holding this fucking shit. Pero yun, as I said, there's no any excuses. And nag-aalanta ako kasi sobrang ingay ng place ko. But I still need to lock in, bro. I still need to lock in. It's 9:34 a.m. as you guys see now. And yeah, it's December 31 right now. Pero kasi the funny part yesterday was akala ko ngayong araw pa lang kami uuwi. Kaya hindi ko inayos yung mga damit ko. Pero fuck bro, pinagmamadali ako kasi 31 pala kami kagabi, uuwi. Kala ko 31 ngayong araw. Like, bro, fucking shit. Tapos, sa sobrang pagmamadali ko, I don't know, I bring these 4 books with me. This is Laws of Human Nature, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Never Split the Differences, bagong bili ko, tsaka The Mountain Issue. Pero yeah, As usual, sabi ko nga, we still need to lock the fuck in. Kahit wala tayo sa sarili nating workplace. Tapos ako mag-backtest kagabi. I mean, kanina. 6 a.m. na ako natulog. And may mga things ako na hindi ko nagawa kasi nga, kala ko, bukas pa kami uwi. And as a perfectionist guy, hindi ko na nagawa yung mga nasa schedule ko. But kailangan ko yusin yung mga startup businesses ko na bala ko gawin next month. I don't know, siguro hindi next month, but maybe this year. And also, I was planning to set new goals. Not just goals, but you also need to make systems. Kasi if you focus too much on your goals and the outcomes, tendency you're gonna feel it. What you need to do instead is you need to make system. Ano ba yung mga bagay mo na kailangan gawin for you to achieve your goals? Let's say for example, okay, you set your goals, pero how would you achieve that, right? You need to make systems. You need to make steps. Okay, you need to make steps here. This is your planning stage. Then, how would you get to your goals? Yeah? Kaya ang sinasabi ko, there's always gonna be a gap. So, dapat balance lang yung planning mo, but you also need to take actions. Because most of people fail their dreams and their goals kasi they're stuck in planning mode. What you need to do instead is, you need to make plans and take actions immediately. You don't need to fucking care if you fail. If you fail, gawin mo ulit siya. Repeat, repeat, repeat until you fucking make it. Kasi a lot of people are too afraid on failing on their things. Pero you don't need to think too much about that. Kaya nga yun eh. That's your advantage if you're young, if you're like me, 16, between 16 hanggang 18, bro, you have a lot of room para ayusin yung mga failures mo. You have a lot of room to fail and to learn from it. Kaya if your parents are always saying to you na huwag mo muna simulan yan, bata ka pa, hindi mo kailangan mag-mature. The first reason bakit nila sinasabi yun is because first, they're concerned to you. Second, their old version are still stuck in theirs. Kumbaga, hindi sila makapaniwala psychologically na their son or their daughter, their kids are changing. Kaya hindi pa sila ready na you're going in that phase. Pero that's very normal in most teens, mga purpose-driven teens, yung mga ambitious kids, you know? So if you have plans, just plan it, but take actions immediately. If you fail, you fucking fail. Just try it again. Saan si Bulag? Mamagay ka sa vlog ko.
Busy with
Magay ka sa
kami.
vlog ko.
Ha?
Magay ka sa vlog ko. Magay ka. Saan si Bulag?
Ito sa may kahuyo siwit sa isa.
Saan si Bulag? Kauna na, kauna na.
Tara na, Tito Dong.
It's almost 12 p.m. and I'm back testing. And I also lose it. Negotiating as if your life depended on it. Almost 5 p.m. bro. And kakagising ko lang to be honest. But we still need to finish our task. Ako magplano ng startup business. Kasi pag hindi ko to ginawa ngayon, alam ko pag bubukas ko na naman until I procrastinated it. Until hindi ko na siya gawin. And next week, may pasok na ako, di ko na makatupad to. And I need to also set goals. And not just goals. You need also systems. I was really tired today, bro. Tinry ko mag-isip ng startup businesses that I can run this year, 2026. I was the kind of guy kasi talaga na if I have plans on myself, I will take actions on that immediately. Like, I hate planning, bro. Kasi if you have plans, yeah, plans do matters. Sabi nga ng iba. Pero if all you do is plans, then a lot of people fail their ideas and their knowledge nila into things because they spend too much planning, and too much planning will result on having perfectionist, and perfectionist will result into you fumbling up that business idea of yours.
I don't have any knowledge when it comes to this, but I will try. Yun naman ang part ng buhay eh. Fail, try, until you finally fucking get it. There's no perfect human in this world. I myself, I'm not a perfect guy. I'm just a kid who wants to be successful someday. I have my dreams, I have my goals, I have my ambitions. People are mocking me, laughing at me. Pero we can't give up on that, man. We need to prove that everything is possible. If you just truly lock in, stay committed into your words, believe in yourself, put your faith and trust in God and align your life with Him, remove distractions, and just lock in. Bro, everything will happen according to God's time. Pero kanina kasi, medyo nahihilo na ako. Nahihilo na ako. Nag-nosebleed pa nga ako kanina eh. Pero we need to take rest. Wala akong naisip na bro. Wala akong naisip na any startup businesses. I mean, meron akong mga nasulat na notes sa Notions ko. I dump all my ideas nasa utak ko into notebook. But yet, I can't still think of things, bro. That's why I decided to take a rest muna kasi mamaya mag-edit pa ako ng vlogs. I-edit ko pa itong mga pinagsama-sama kong video. Siguro mamaya, pag nag-1. Nakakapagod pala to. Sobrang kalat ng workplace ko ngayon. Actually, di ko naman workplace to eh. I just have my laptop here. Dito ko nilalagay yung video. Camera ko pag nag-video ako. And may charger. Bilisan mo ako. Toto'y tumalun ka. Tumaba kung kailangan.
Oh, yan o. Di ba yung taas na yan?
Oo.
Okay, skin.
May bayad ba doon? May bayad ba doon?
Oh. Yung ano.
Saan ka pa ba na ito?
Nababas ko ni Tito pagdating natin sa kanya.
Game. Tangina mo.
Ay, di tayo gagawin. Sobrang tayo gagawin.
New Year. Happy New Year, everyone. Mukhang malaki-laki to ah.
Mukhang malaki-laki to.
New Year.
Happy New Year,
Happy
boy!
New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Bumba. Bago. Tangina wala ko postik. Kanyan bumbong. Happy New Year, everyone. Today was 12:01 in the fucking morning. And I just want to greet every each of us to you guys. Happy New fucking year. May we all achieve all these goals that we have this year. And God bless us all, guys. God bless us all. I was really happy right now. And yeah, New Year means new life. Happy New Year! Happy New fucking year, everyone! This is my outfit for the day. Medyo malabo yung salamin. Pero, as usual, plain. Bought this from Vergara. Arbor. Okay. Tapos legendary Crocs. Sa lahat ng parties, knockouts, reunions, hindi mo mawala yung Crocs. That's the legendary Crocs. Actually, di ko na na-edit yung mga videos kagabi, hapon, I mean, New Year. Siguro bukas na lang pag-uwi namin kasi we're going home also tomorrow. Yeah.
Tuturo natin yung kami natin.
Turo sila lang. Hi, Lolo.
Okay. Ikaw dyan, Lula.
Ki, tabi ka. Ayan, doon ka, ngiti ka lang doon. Di pa kita mag-ipin mo.
Ang programa to,
Vlog to vlog. Vlog tayo vlog.
Yan. O, yung mga chikiting sa baba. O, yung chikiting.
Lahatan po, lahatan po to.
Lahat po tayo, mga lalaki. Pagkakasama natin. Boys. Gege, gege. O.
Tropa na yun.
Pag sila nagulat, walang naiiwan. Si Papa at Papa, kasali lahat. Buong pamilya ko. Lahat. Okay.
Sino lumato?
Yan, itaas mo. Yan. Unay na yung mga baka maliliit sa Saysay. Okay. Wow.
Sama-sama sila. Na.
Para may pang-game ka mamaya.
Wala na ba? Thank you. Yung 100 pesos.
Lahat ng may asawang bata.
Ano ba gagawin dito? Mag-i-invest. Vlog ka na. Gonna walk, man. Cash flow celebration. Yeah, nakasama ka na. Yan. Isa pa, Bek. Bek, isa pa, Bek. Yung malupit, yung maayos. Okay. This is day 3. Me on vacation. Kasi, nung 31 kami ng gabi umuwi. January 1. January 2 na ngayon. Pero ngayon, there's no special day today kasi we're going home. Pero first, pupunta muna kami sa lolo ko para mag-lunch. Andito din yung mga tito ko, naantay ako. Mga kasingidaran kong tito ko. Ayaw mag-drive. I'm alone here right now. Buriyo ako dito, mag-isa lang ako. We should read some book. If you're in your early 20s and you want to gain some knowledge about financial literacy, this is the best book that I can recommend to you. Why? Ito yung pinaka-best book na may re-recommend ko sa'yo. In all of the 17 books that I've read, The Rich Dad Poor Dad is one of the best comprehensible book ever. Kasi Robert Kiyosaki, while writing his book, it feels like you're diving in, going into a deep narrative story of him and his life, and you can literally learn a lot from him, like assets, liabilities. You know, before I have a difficulty understanding what is asset and liabilities, but when I read this book, bro, asset and liabilities is very basic. Asset is what puts money in your pocket, and liabilities yun yung naglalabas ng pera sa'yo. So, if you're in your early 20s, focus on assets, not on liabilities that generates cash flow.
Sana yung ano, yung hito na inilagay dito.
Yung?
Yung hito na binaan namin na...
Lunch.
Pero yun na kasi ang nakasanayan namin talaga. Ginaganon ko siya. Sige ako para ano, para balik. Ganun yun.
Stopover kami, guys. Bila ko noodles. Tsaka kape. Motherfucking coffee and noodles.
Excuse me po. Plan.
Banting. Magkano ka?